What's up, guys? We're back in another video, and we are currently on the roof of an apartment. We're gonna be opening up 4 Pokémon today, and it is raining, and I am wet, but we're still gonna open up these 4. Hopefully, oh shoot, like on a slant. Charizard. Let's see what we got for our first pack. No. Mawile, Togedemaru, Grevard, Stoutland, Frogdeer, Drampa, Levista, Grevard, boom, Sizer. Okay, for our next pack, we're gonna go a little bit closer. If I don't upload this, then you guys know what happened. Okay. Okay. Poniard. Lillipup. Crabber. Clefairy. What? Geartic. Charmeleon. Excadrill. Lillipup. Poniard. Thunderous. Don't worry, I'll get that later. What? Is there fire? Okay, never mind. Next. Lechonk. Togepi. Limpa. Oh god. Gloom. If my video camera falls. Sharpedo. Espion. Floatzel, Heatmore, Houndour. We're not gonna sell that. Entei. Okay. Our next pack is gonna be that one. Capsicid. Townstone. Oh wait, did I get the code for that one? Town Store, Kyogano, Togepi, Dragonair, Pidgeotto, Amoonguss, Grevard, Herdier, and Toxtricity. That is my desk. Actually, it's not. Here's all the cards. Houndour. Kidding. That's a really good artwork. That's really good. It's so cute. Okay, that was our short video. If you guys liked me throwing cards off the roof, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, like and subscribe because Doggo told you to. See you guys next video. I'll make sure to sleeve that one up and get all those. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe. More videos coming to you about another 26 packs. I'm just trying to make this video longer. Make sure to share this with your friends, like and subscribe, put your notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.